You can tell an app to not use mobile data on your Android phone. But how you do this depends on the phone you have. On Samsung phones like mine, you can do this through the connection settings. I'll go to Settings and then navigate to Connections. And from here, I'll go to Data Usage. You'll see a menu for Allowed Networks for Apps. And here, you'll get a list of all the apps on your phone, and you can tell your phone which networks each app is allowed to use. You'll just tap an app and choose whether that app can use both mobile data and Wi-Fi, only Wi-Fi, or tell the app to prefer mobile data whenever possible. Setting an app to Wi-Fi only will essentially ban it from using mobile data. If you're on a Google Pixel or another phone that's using the standard Android, your options are a little different. Currently, those phones don't have the data usage menu that Samsung has, but you can control this from the app settings. In your settings, you'll go to Apps, and then pick an app from the list. You can then go to Mobile Data and toggle off Allow Background Data Usage. This doesn't automatically limit the app from mobile data like the Samsung method does, but with this toggle, the app can no longer use data unless you have it open and active on your screen. Great way to stop apps from downloading content and using up data in the background without your knowledge. And that's how you limit your apps from using mobile data. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.